Hello, hi there. Hi. I just wanted to talk to you about Shop Small Saturday. Um, brain fog here. So of course on Friday we have, oh my gosh, why am I losing my mind? What the heck? Friday we have, oh my gosh, Black Friday, yes. Yes, I have a little brain fog right now, but on Friday we have Black Friday. Okay, so then did you know that this Saturday is actually called Shop Small Saturday? And so I know a lot of people don't actually know what Shop Small Saturday is. I can tell you the truth. I did not know what it was before I actually owned a business. So that's why I'm here to tell you what it is. But I want to tell you about a prize I'm giving away. So last time I gave away a prize, I gave away a Starbucks card to Anna Rosa. And this time I'm going to be giving away in honor of shopping small. And I know you love some coffee. So I'm going to give away a gift card to Cup of Joy. So you can go out and have a cup of coffee. So to get entered to win that, all you got to do is comment below, and you can comment as many times as you want why you like to shop small. Okay, so, all right, so Shop Small Saturday, what it is to go out and go support your local small businesses. Try not to go to the big shops like the Target, what have you. If you can, if it's something you can, go get it at a local small business and help support the community. So kind of an example, this is something that I always think about. If you are here local, you know of Sierra Running Company, okay? And I am a runner. Now, just to kind of give you background, I don't buy a whole lot of shoes. First of all, I'm not being paid to say this or anything. So it's not like I'm in there all the time and they know me, okay? I honestly buy just a couple pairs of shoes, and I do buy my kids like one good like running pair of shoes. They've got like the stylish fashion shoes, running shoes that they wear too. But once a year I go in there and I will get them good running shoes from Sierra Running Company. Okay, so now why do I say, because I have friends that ask me, because they know I'm a runner, where do you get your running shoes? And they would say, should I go to Sports Authority or Dick's, what have you? And I always suggested, no, go to Sierra Running Company, because what are you going to get when you go to one of those stores? You're generally just going to get some high school person, college person who doesn't really know much about running. They're just kind of, maybe they got put in that department for the day. You know, maybe they're a cashier some days, and this day they're the shoe person. And actually, even if they're in the shoe department, there's a whole bunch of different kinds of shoes that you can get if you're at one of those sporting stores, right? And so you're kind of getting someone who really is not an expert in their field, okay? And I'm kind of the same way when it comes to going online, because you can go to, there's different running shoe places, and you can go and buy your shoes. And you could spend all the time you want, like researching on there with you, but you're still trying to figure it out yourself. You don't know what's best for you, right? If you're just trying it out. So for me, I like that personal relationship, that personal customer service. When I walk in the store, they say, "Hi, Sarah." And again, remember, I don't shop there all the time. They will say, "Hi, Sarah, how are you?" You know, a couple of the different workers know me by name. And I can tell you why. Again, they only go in there a few times a year, but that's just the personal customer service that they provide for you. And if you're looking for a specific shoe, you're going to make this investment, right, for running, because there's so many different parts. You know, if you have some cheap running shoes or not the right shoes, you're going to get parts. You're going to feel pain in your body at different places, right? Okay, so if I just want to remind anybody who is jumping on, if you say, put in the comments why you like to shop small, you're going to get entered to win a $5 Cup of Joy gift card. Okay, so back to the running shoes. So they spend a lot of time. I mean, really, they're bringing my teens with me, and they will spend, I mean, I feel like it's 20, 30 minutes to pick out a shoes. They got the little track that you can go on in the store to really figure out if it's the right kind of shoe. They'll talk to you about maybe where you've got different pains, and they'll help you out with that. And then if you've got a long-term pain, they've referred to me, a physical therapist, who they know and trust, who can help you with their pain. So you're really getting an expert who has different resources for you, okay? And I know we're in a day and age where we like to do things online. We can get information online. But to me, just having that personal relationship with that person there who is going to help me out means so much to me. And just that personal one-on-one attention of spending the time to pick out the shoes. And again, my team, they're like, I don't know. And so they are very, very patient with you. And also too, kind of once you've got, they keep your information in the system. So let's say you want to go return something. A lot of times at the stores, you don't have your receipt, right? You don't know, you lost your receipt, anything like that. They will just look you up in their system, and they have you, and you could just return the shoes without even having the receipt because they just looked you up by name. So hi there, thank you for joining. I'm talking about why to shop local. So if you put in the comments why you like to shop local, you can put as many different comments as you want. You're gonna get entered in a drawing for some coffee on me. So I'm talking about Sierra Running Company and just the personal customer service that they provide. And so I encourage you to go out on Saturday and shop small. So think of the different businesses that you can support. If you think about Clovis, there's all those little old town stores in Clovis. Even in River Park, there's the small little boutique clothes. There's stores. There's, the Ooh La Las and all those different small businesses that you can be helping support. Because again, then you're supporting your community. So how does that even tie in with insurance? Okay, like the Sierra Running Company, I provide that customer service because you could go online and you could do research of insurance. Okay, I have clients that come to me all the time and they bought their insurance online. But because they weren't an expert at what they've been doing, right? They just looked online and they went and they picked limits, and maybe they just picked what was the cheapest. They don't really have the proper coverage of proper protection like the running shoes. The running shoes are protecting your knees and your hips, all that kind of stuff, your joints, by having a good solid pair of running shoes, right? And you had that expert at Sierra Running Company who helped you pick out the right pair of running shoes, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help you pick out the right running shoes, the insurance policy that's gonna protect your family, okay? And so in providing you with that local local personal customer service, okay? And so you're supporting me, a small business. I've been in business for a little over 3 years, just about 3.5 years, but I've got 22 years of insurance experience, okay? So I do know my stuff. I also am a certified insurance counselor, which basically means I have a master's of insurance. So I've spent a lot of time educating myself, but as you know, if you follow me, customer service is just so important to me. So if you've stuck around this long, I've got a special bonus for you, okay? If you contact me for a review of your insurance by the end of this month, all you gotta do, you're probably busy right now. You're dealing with a family, what I understand, people, holidays, what have you. Just send me an email with your phone number, okay? And I'm gonna contact you next week and we will go over your insurance because I know that you're busy. This is probably not the time. But by the end of November, if you contact me, you will get a $25 a gift card to Sierra Running Company. So you can have those use that towards getting those running shoes to protect your body, and I will protect your family. So I hope that you have a very blessed Thanksgiving, and thank you so much for all of your support. And go out and support those small businesses. Bye-bye.